game.
T, you're actually going to?
What if someone punches me in the stomach really lightly?
Joe. No, I'm not doing it.
No, Sam's a dick. Someone else.
I'll punch you lightly like this.
No.
That's lightly.
Go, go.
Someone get a light on him closer. Get a light on him closer.
That was so funny.
Lampy, first.
Sam, do
Right
it
in.
again, mate.
Oh god, where is it?
Push the top bit. Push the top bit.
Fuck you, that fucking hurts.
Do it again.
Oh! Is that as good as you? It's that or pat his back.
Ow! That hurt. No! I'm all done. Didn't you see I spewed 5 times?
Spew now. Spew.
I had 5 projectiles. Huh?
There's gotta be some more. What the fuck is Sam? You're a fucking dick.
You told me to do it.
Well, that fucking hurts.
It's just like... I thought it was just gonna end up hurting T. I didn't actually think it just...
I thought it was just like, will that hurt?
You fucking... Sam, come here now.
Sam,
come here.
I'm so tempted to just cave in that.
Sam, come here now.
Okay, I'm here.
Fucking where are you?
We're here, he's here.
Oh my hands! Oh my god, see! Oh my Jesus!
Babe, I've dropped glass in case he runs off.
Oh, I'm just calling the sick.
Babe, high five to you. There we go.